Chronic constipation is a huge issue that's affecting women's hormones, health, weight, happiness, and general harmony within their body. So did you know, technically by definition, constipation is anyone who does not have a bowel motion within 45 minutes to 60 minutes following each main meal of the day? Yes, that is correct. We are supposed to have within about 3 bowel motions within a 24-hour period every single day. Hands up if you do. Well, you're not alone. Many, many women don't. In fact, so many women I'm finding and seeing in clinic are actually only having a bowel motion every 2 to 3 days. Sometimes they can go up to a week without moving their bowels. And this is a huge issue because to maintain a healthy environment within our bowel and colon so that we can have beautiful, healthy, beneficial bacteria that plays a huge role in metabolizing and recycling estrogen and hormones, we need to have that, a clear channel that's moving through. When we've got congestion through the colon, we're going to get a bit of mucoid plaque. It's going to become a favorable environment for bad bacteria that like to live off this density, this, toxic mess. And it really does then affect your skin health, your mental health, your emotional health. So it's a big issue. So retraining the bowel is a really, really great protocol, which is something that will definitely change your health in a whole lot of ways. So it's something that I wanted to share with you guys to help you move forward and feel a whole lot better. So have a look at the products, have a look at the protocol. As always, if you've got any questions, jump into the Balance Babes Facebook support group and ask your questions, and we'll ensure that we get back to you as soon as possible so that we can have your bowel retrained, re-establish that brain-bowel connection so that peristalsis is a natural thing and we don't have to rely on laxatives or even rely on enemas to bring on a bowel motion, because even though I love enemas, we don't want to be using them for that purpose, okay? So check it out, dive in, and I look forward to helping you on the way.